Hey you guys, I just set up the brand new desk from Sedeta and I have to show you this because honestly it's a game changer. This L-shaped farmhouse style desk, and yes, it comes with LED RGB lights built in. They flash, they dim, they do different things. Look at this vibe, perfect for working, gaming, just adding the aesthetics to your space, whether you're YouTube or TikTok. And one of my biggest fears with furniture that I get online is the assembly, but shockingly, this was easy. It's got letters and numbers, so it's like putting together Legos. So even if you don't even have tools, all the tools are included. There's no extra trips to the hardware store, and it just sets up in a matter of an hour, super stress free. So let me show you one of my favorite things. First off, the design. It's quality, it's really good. It doesn't chip. It's the rustic farmhouse wood look. That's this black wood look with the rustic farmhouse design. And the L shape gives me a ton of space for my laptop, my monitor, even dual monitors to set up for gamers. And then these lights, look at these RGB lights. They're built in right into the desk, and you can change the color. They're USB plug-in, which is included in this. And it gives it a cozy purple or a blue chill vibe. And honestly, it feels like a full TikTok studio in my room here. What I love the most about this, how versatile it is. You can use one side for my laptop or your laptop or work stuff, the other side for gaming or even just doing arts and crafts. It doesn't take up much space. That's what I love about it. It gives my room a lot more area, plus it straightens up my desk. So if you're working from home, gaming, or just that Pinterest aesthetic vibe for your room, this really pulls it together. And I didn't realize how much a desk could change the whole look of my space until I got this. So even if you've been looking or thinking about upgrading your setup, I seriously recommend Sedeta and check out their array of desks. They even have adjustable ones that are super affordable, super easy to build, and the quality feels really premium. So I'll drop a link so you can grab one for yourself. Trust me, the shipping is super fast, super easy, and your room will be thankful for this. And your fans on TikTok or whatever, YouTube, are going to love it. So go ahead, hit that button and hit that like button so that other people can see this. And you'll see it right away. The Sedeta farmhouse style L-shaped desk with RGB lights. It's the desk glow up that you didn't even know you needed.